Hi, my name is Garrett, Boulder, Colorado. You're looking to make money from home. You're looking to get into home business. Hopefully it's not an MLM or network marketing thing, but you're looking and maybe you've seen a few things. Maybe you've bought things in the past. They didn't work out for you and you figured you'd take another shot at it. Okay, if this is you, I'm going to give you a prediction. And here's the prediction. Unless you become informed about the different kinds of home business models out there, you will fail. And here's how you will fail. You'll join a program, you'll pay your money, and then you'll have to do your marketing. Okay? So what will you do? You'll buy some crazy email system to send out emails, and they don't work too well. Unless it's an extremely sophisticated system, you probably won't have that. Or you'll buy into voice broadcasting, and that's a big mistake because it's really overdone right now. And you probably know that. Or you'll post ads online to classified ad sites and basically get nowhere, absolutely nowhere. You may get a nibble every once in a while, but it's nothing upon which to build a business. Or you'll buy a list or you'll buy a scraping tool and scrape phone numbers and you'll start calling these people one by one, and that's going to last about 2 hours before you give up. Okay? I'm not saying anything against you, it's just that's the way it is. Nobody wants to become a glorified telemarketer when they spend good money to buy into home business. Or you'll try to learn internet marketing and you'll find that it's a huge, big black hole of time and money and energy that you're never going to get back, and you're never really going to get the results that you're looking for. Or let's see, what else could you do? Well, maybe you'll tell your friends, families, and neighbor, but I don't think anybody really does that anymore. That's what people used to do in the 70s when Amway was around and big. Let's see, what else could you do? You'll buy some automated tool that supposedly is going to do your work for you. That's not going to work. There's only really one thing that you really, or you'll buy a home business on emotion. That's the worst thing you could do. That's the absolute worst thing you could do, is buy on emotion. So what I want you to do is go look at a webinar, okay? This webinar is going to put everything into perspective for you. And then once you watch the webinar, I want you to call me, and my name and number is at the bottom of the webinar, and I want to talk to you about the marketing system that we provide to our members absolutely free. It's a $10,000 marketing system, and you do not need to learn anything. All you need to do, it's a team marketing system. So you're actually not getting a $10,000 marketing system. You're participating in a marketing system that goes for $10,000 that actually costs $50,000 to create, and it's being run by a home business multi-millionaire. So I want you to go to smartnewmoney.com. That is going to get you educated so that you learn how to make decisions not based on emotion, but based on logic, understanding, and knowledge. smartnewmoney.com.